And welcome to my channel called Cut to the Chase. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the salt levels on a Hotpoint dishwasher and also the rinse aid levels. So the first thing to note is this is where the salt goes into. So you unscrew that and lift it up and you just pour the salt in there. You'll feel it a little bit wet and that's the way it's supposed to be. So we pour the salt in there. The salt is there to do two things. Well, it softens up the hard water, so you need to check to see what level of salt you need to apply, and this is depending on the area you're living in, so you'll need to check your salt levels and compare it to the dosage on your Hotpoint instructions. So we pour the salt, dishwasher salt into there and lock it shut, okay, and that will protect your dishwasher internals from a scale developing on the heating elements, etc., and that would decrease efficiency and eventually destroy your washing machine. The other thing it does is it removes the marks that you get, which look like salt marks on the side of your dishes, particularly the glass. So the other thing we're going to be talking about is the fluid dishwasher rinse aid. So here we go. Dishwasher rinse aid is stored in here, okay, and just open it up and you pour it in there and you can see the max mark. So that's how you pour it in. Okay, I'm going to show you now how to, that's where your tablet goes into. I'm now going to show you how to adjust the levels. So this is the top of the Hotpoint dishwasher, showing the control panel. You can see this red light here indicates that we're out of salt, and that means we need to fill it up. But it doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad thing, because some areas of the country don't require any salt. You've got to check the water in your region, and that will determine what your dosage is. So here we go, we switch this off. Okay, we're setting the salt level dosage. Switch it on, switch it off again. Hold the P button for 5 seconds, you'll hear a long beep. Okay, display panel's off, so switch it on again, and that's at level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maximum dosage. Switch it back to 1 for my area, press the off button, that's the set, simple as that. We're now going to sort the rinse aid. Okay, now rinse aid, what we want to do is we want to use the minimum amount of rinse aid to give you a nice dry dishes. So it's trial and error for this one. Okay, so press the button on, press the button off, press it 3 times, listen for the beep. Okay, again displays off, so better switch it on. Start with number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, pressing P button. I like to start at number 1. Press it off again. That's the set number 1. Assess the condition of the dishes as they come out. Are they nice and dry? If they are dry, perfect. If not, move it on to level 2. I hope you found this video is useful, and if you've got a Samsung washing machine, then have a look at my Samsung calibration video as well. Thank you very much, and please hit subscribe if you like these tips.